This is one of my little POTA antennas. So in the packet, we've got an fed antenna, BNC on one end, and there is a wire that's 10.1 meters long, which will give me, there we go, that's going to give me good propagation on 20, 17, and 10. And as you can see, I've got it all in a little fishing reel, little fly fishing reel. Now, this came from Amazon. It was less than a tenner. The wire is 10.1 meters long. I think I've just said that. And if you just give it a little pull, get a nice satisfying click. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lob this out my window. This bit is going to end up in a tree. This part will end up on my windowsill, and we'll try and get some communications going. So stay tuned. Stick around. Yeah. So, as you can see, I just tricked out my bedroom window. Up there somewhere. And we are going to go right there. There we go. So that's going to all be wired up. Oh, it's my bedroom.
Una cosa nueva, intento trabajarlo. Pero no te... Collègue, F4, Mike Lima X-Ray, Echo Alpha 4, bravo, bravo.